Now, good luck on your first pick 5 tickets. Anytime now, 1,300 meters is the trip. And the other way, Tabita draws for your lead, looking at Lucky, moving up by the rail, racing in third, Silver Wings. Then comes Bright Valor as they race towards the half-mile pole, looking at Lucky, leading the field by about a length and a half. Tabita running in second, Bright Valor is racing in third by the rail, Silver Wings running on the outside fourth as they race towards the 600. Looking at Lucky, still by about a length and a half. Tabita remains in second, then comes Bright Valor. Silver Wings now trying to get closer in fourth as they round towards the 450. Looking at Lucky, leading the field. Tabita moving up on the outside, looking at Lucky, still the leader. Tabita remains in second, Silver Wings is on the outside, and down the stretch they come. It's still looking at Lucky, leading the field. Tabita remains in second with 75 meters to race. Looking at Lucky, winning this race over, yes! Friday. Then comes Tabita, Silver Wings, and Star Trek.